Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Home Remedies presents 3 best ways to naturally remove unwanted pubic body hair permanently. Summer is here and the best way to stay cool during this season is to simply remove unwanted body hair. Pubic or genital hairs can be of great inconvenience during summer. The hair causes one to sweat and feel uncomfortable too. So it is best to simply get rid of it. Home remedies are the best option for you to try when it comes to hair removal. It is safe for you to use considering it is a sensitive zone. Using remedies which are gentle on the skin is another thing to keep in mind, as it will not cause a skin reaction. To remove pubic hair, there are many who opt for shaving as it is a faster process. However, when you shave, it will only lead to ingrown hair, which is painful. So don't hesitate to throw away that razor and go in for home remedies. There is no such thing as permanent hair removal. People who are looking for how to get rid of body hair permanently naturally are going to be disappointed. The natural hair removal methods I will share with you today are highly effective, but they cannot promise anything permanent. How to get rid of body hair the natural way while you may not be able to permanently get rid of body hair. The methods I will share are highly effective to help you in your weekly, monthly struggle to keep your body hair under control. Try these remedies to find out which work best. Before you try these home remedies, you should trim the hair with a razor. Even if you are opting for a homemade wax recipe, trim it. It is also important that you do a patch test to see if you are allergic to any of the home remedies in removing pubic hair. Method number 1. Sugar, lemon and honey. Have you ever noticed how sugar turns thick and wax-like when heated? Using sugar with honey can be a natural alternative to the costly paraffin wax used by so many spas and hair removal clinics. Adding a bit of a lemon helps to bleach the hair, reducing its visibility. Mixing honey and sugar make a thick wax that, once applied, will nourish your skin even as it sticks to your hairs, making it easier to rip them off. Trim your hairs roughly 10 days before using this remedy to maximize its efficiency. For this remedy, you will need honey, sugar, lemon. Mix a tablespoon of sugar with a tablespoon each of honey and lemon juice. Place the mixture in a metal bowl and place that bowl over a double boiler. This will heat the liquid slowly, preventing burning, dissolving the sugar and turning it into a thick wax-like paste. Add water to thin out an overly thick paste or mix in cornstarch to thicken a too thin paste. Apply a bit of cornstarch to the areas you want to wax. This will help to prevent the wax mixture from clinging to your skin. Using a wooden spoon, apply the wax to your skin in the direction of the hairs. Pat a strip of waxing cloth into the still soft wax. Allow it to cool and harden and rip off. It works like a regular wax but far more natural. Method number 2. Lentil and potatoes. Potatoes contain acid that will bleach your body hair, lightening them and making them less visible. The addition of lentils will make the potato remedy more effective. For this remedy, you will need yellow lentils, potatoes, honey, lemon juice. Soak the lentils in a bowl of water overnight. In the morning, run them through a food processor or grinder to turn them into a thick paste. Crush 1 potato into the mixture and add a tablespoon of honey and lemon juice each. Lemon is optional in this. Heat the mixture together. The mixture will become thick, just right to use it as a wax to remove pubic hair. This is one of the best home remedies. Method number 3. Egg and cornstarch. When eggs dry, they harden into a sticky, waxy substance that makes for a perfect mask. It not only nourishes your skin, but it makes it easy to rip out any hair clinging to the mask. By adding cornstarch, you ensure that the mask is thick enough to pull out even the most stubborn hairs. For this remedy, you will need 1 egg, cornstarch, sugar. Crack the egg white into a mixing bowl and stir in half a tablespoon of cornstarch and a tablespoon of sugar. Mix well until it forms a thick, smooth paste. Apply the paste to your skin, let it dry 25 minutes or so, and peel it off, pulling out hair in the process. Choosing these natural methods to remove unwanted body hair proves to be the best, not only because these require you to use natural ingredients, they are also highly available and effective. The ingredients are mostly found at home and they contain beneficial natural chemicals which don't have any negative effects on the body. If you find this video useful, hit that like button to give it more value, and don't forget to share on your social networks so that other people can benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.